Dennis Bonder will be fighting Luis Rodriguez. Bonder is not on a good streak. He suffered back-to-back losses to Malcolm Gordon and Carlos Hernandez. But against Hernandez, it was a head clash, so I can't call this technically a loss, as Bonder was head-butted on the way down, but he did a good job, really good job. He's got excellent submissions. Luis Rodriguez is riding a score of 16-0, 5'6", 65 inches of reach. Out of Veracruz, Mexico. He comes out of Lux Fight League, where he defeated Cesar Vasquez, Victor Moreno, Jaime Londono, and Angel Rodriguez. He's got dangerous punches, but Bonder is having excellent submissions. From what I've seen, Rodriguez has been vulnerable on the ground. I mean, he was very close to being finished a few times, but he scrapped out of it, and Bonder is extremely good on the ground. I see Rodriguez as a better striker, and I see Rodriguez as a guy with better clinching. I mean, with better short-range strikes. I'm gonna say the fight will not go the distance. Side call. If Rodriguez plays smart, he can win, but we'll see.